So I bought this gadget on Amazon. It's got a little camera and a light on the end of it. I'm going to try to go behind the wall and see if I nicked a wire. See, there's the wire, and there's the screw. I don't see any nicks. I know I haven't recorded lately. Ford Motor Johnson City has had my van for a month. I have taken down walls, put cameras behind the walls, trying to find out why the park lights keep coming on and off, and it runs down the battery. I watched a video where I put up this last piece of board right there, and I'm thinking I might have pinched the wires in that harness. So I'm going to have to try to cut that open and see, because these wires are like a 22 gauge. They're so little, and it's possible that one could have got pinched, or maybe two. So I have to try to get in there and look. I'm hoping that's what it is. But also, I'm hoping that camping out might motivate me to get started working on it again. I have my stovetop coming, and the refrigerator will be here Monday. What a beautiful day. Right now I'm charging my phone off of the solar, but the fireplace is definitely on their 30 volt hookup. Shades are ordered. This is what I did for privacy. Let's see if them burgers are done, or time for the cheese. Ah, yeah. Sourdough bun. The night view. Peaceful. The heater's on, but I've decided to crawl inside of the sleeping bag. It's a 40-degree sleeping bag, and then put the electric blanket on top of it and turn off the fireplace. I really should have shook that more. I see chunks. The ceiling should be an easy hookup. My two wires. Little lock right here to lock in place. Love it. Okay, this goes to the puck light. I'm just going to strip the end off of this and stick it right in the connector. Stuff like this confuses me. There's two different ways to hook it up. So I thought this was the ground wire just to ground it, but it actually goes to the lights as well. This is going to be the dimmer switch for the puck lights. Okay, after a bunch of back and forth with myself, I've decided to put the ground in with the negative into a three-way, so it'll be partly puck lights and then to the fuse box. I hate working with electricity. It scares the crap out of me. Now, see if I did it right. And you have a dimmer. As you can see, I have a small obsession with electric blankets. This is the electric one on my bed, and my sister gave me one, and it hooks up to your lighter. So now I will install one of these for the electric blanket. Oh my gosh, this is my dilemma. Getting this up here by myself and trying to screw it into the boards. So I'm going to have to rig something up that'll hold this side while I screw in that side. There's me a T to help hold it. Oh, this is taking longer than it should. I'm so close. I've got to cut just a little bit off right there where my wall is. Beating this thing to death. I'm going to cut off on this side because it's going to make my fan off center if I cut on the other side. I simply refuse to take this thing down one more time. So I'm going to use my hand saw because I have to cut just a tad off. And I'm not pulling it back out. So I'm going to use this. So it's still not straight. See but I'm done for now. I'll start again next weekend where I can push it down, maybe have somebody help me because it's just too hard to do by yourself.